Hi everyone, good afternoon. I would like to warm welcome everyone on my YouTube channel. So, without any delay, let's get started. Today topic is generally many people are able to understand English, but they are unable to speak because lack of practice. If you are practicing on daily basis, then you can easily speak. And one thing also keep in your mind, English is not your mother tongue, so don't go shy because and it is also very easy in comparison to our mother tongue. My mother tongue is Hindi, and it's difficult if you have no idea about how to uh, mm, learn Hindi. It's difficult because for learning Hindi you have to know many things, but for English you have to just knowledge about tenses, modals, and some meanings and words. If you know and if you have knowledge about it, then you can easily speak English. So today I am going to share how you can try to speak much and more fluent English. So if you are able to understand, if someone saying something, that time you are able to understand. But when you are going for express your feeling and are going to express something in English, then your mind got blank. So it's also a big issue sometimes. This thing also happen with me sometimes because I am also practicing English. When this thing come in come this thing happen with you, so just keep one thing in mind. You are learning, and at that time try to write down or try to know about your mistake and try to write down somewhere. After that you come back at your home, then try to come correct yourself where you are lacking, where are you lacking. Okay, and for this thing, for practicing, just keep this thing. You will have to take at least 15 minutes approx 30 days. Do it continue. If you are continue, then after 30 days you realize that now you are good in spoken English because of practicing. So according to your convenient, you can also increase your speaking time limits. So it's totally depend on you. If you have more time, then you can easily speak, and give more. If you give more time, then it's also beneficial for you. And guys, one thing is also big issue with the learner. They always try to wait situation and good time. So keep one things in your mind. A good time never come in your life. You are responsible for everything which happen in your life. If you have you have not that type environment, so just try to create by your own, because you want to speak English, then it's your problem and it's your uh, responsibilities. So try to make environment for yourself and try to learn. Don't don't wait for right time. Right time never come. It's depend on you. If you take action, then the right time come definitely. So I think you able to understand what I am share here. This video is maybe helpful for you. I will try to make more interesting and more valuable uh, my content for you. So that's all about from my side. Thank you so much. I will meet you in next video.